In this video, I'm going to show you how to make image mobile friendly in Webflow. So the first thing that we'll need to do is click on add elements and search for image on elements. So I already searched up image and just drag the image anywhere on the page. Next thing that you will be doing is click on the image settings and click on choose image. And you need to upload your image first, so you can click on upload on assets up here. So if you have a file already, just upload it right here. So I already have a file, so I'll just click on that file and I can set it to however I want. So in order for us to make it mobile friendly, just click on the mobile view right here, L on the keyboard, or just click on it. So here you can set it to how it will look like on mobile. So if you can click it here, so it depends on how you want. So if you want it to be smaller on mobile, you can just edit it. And if you want it to be smaller on the tablet, you can also edit it. So there are four views that you can choose from: desktop, tablet, mobile, and another mobile view. So make sure to set it on mobile how you want it so that it will be easier to read on mobile. And that's about it. That's how to make image mobile friendly in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.